We are going to do a St. Patrick's Day themed cupcake tower today. And let me tell you, it's all about the tower. There are those towers out there that you can buy and they're just pretty much plain, and then you just decorate your cupcakes, put them on there. But this, I really wanted the cupcake tower to be the centerpiece for the party. So I wanted to go ahead and make a customized one. And what you need, some tools that you need to do this, you need wood boards. This one is a 20-inch wood board right here. You need some extra boards. Some of these are cardboard. The ones that are going to be higher up that don't need as much support are cardboards. So these are just 3 cardboards taped together, and I'll tell you the sizes on those later. And then this one is another wood board, because this is actually going to need a lot of support. So I need to actually screw this together to really support it. So that one's a wood one. You're going to need some different size screws. You're going to need a screwdriver. It's great if you have an electric one. If not, then you can use a regular one. It's just a little bit more manpower. Then ruler's good to have. Also a level to make sure once we put this on our thing that the boards are level. Double-sided tape. I've got a glue gun over here heating up. And then go to your local party supply store and just see what they have for St. Patrick's Day. I just kind of picked some things up, brought them home, and then kind of decided what I was going to do with them. And I've already put this together once, so I have some pre-drilled holes here. But what you have to do first to figure out where the holes need to be is you take 2 of these. Let's see, this one actually goes... No, it goes on this side. To line it up with the holes I've already done. So I decided that I wanted this to be the base, okay? So I wanted these kind of at an angle like so. See if I can line those up a little better. And then I thought, well, how great. These are pots, going to be pots of gold. So what is in a pot of gold? It's going to be a rainbow, right? Okay, so the rainbow, I needed it to be the support for the next tier. So what I did is just took a jigsaw, and I cut a rainbow pattern out. Okay, so I just cut this out of plywood, and it's about, this one is about, like, I think it's about 3/4 inch plywood. Yeah, it's 3/4 inch plywood, so it's fairly thick. And then I have these little braces right here. You get these at the hardware store. Okay, and you just screw these in to this, and then of course you need this plywood to be able to stand up. So what I did is I just cut 2 squares of the same size plywood, and I drilled into this piece. Okay, you can even put some glue in there, wood glue, and drill it in. Now sometimes you're gonna, when I first did this, I actually needed help because one person has to hold this while the other person drills it in. It's really hard to do both at the same time. So that way this actually will stand up, and then if I put it in here, it stands up in here. Okay, so with these braces being at the very back. Okay, now if this part's a little, this is the hardest thing about the whole cupcake tower. If this is too much for you to do, you can just eliminate this, and you could take your next cake board and actually place it right on top like this. Okay, so don't think that you have to do the rainbow, but it's just super cool. So you should probably do it. Have someone help you do it, maybe. Okay, so that's going to go in like this. So what we have to do is actually drill into the baseboard, go through this and into the wood here.